Mr. Chair, Colonel Garma is a woman disguised as a meek lamb, but deep inside her, she is a ruthless killer, killing without mercy innocent people, killing without remorse innocent victims. Mr. Chair, I just would like to point out that at the time that General Barayuga was killed, there was an ongoing investigation by NBI regarding the corruption in PSSO, most specifically in the operations of STL, Small Town Lottery. In fact, bago po siya napatay, itong si General Barayuga, according to NBI officer in charge, Eric Distor, General Barayuga was prepared with all the documents, and in fact, he was prepared to testify against the corruption and illegal practices in PSSO. Yun po ang motive bakit po pinatay si General Barayuga. Yung nakita po niyong pick-up kanina na sinakyan ni General Barayuga was given by Colonel Ruyina Garma to make sure na ma-identify po si General Barayuga. Kasi si General Barayuga, wala hong sasakyan yun. Kaya mahirap po i-surveillance dahil walang routinary procedure. Kaya binagyan po ni Colonel Garma ng bagong pick-up si General Barayuga. Yun kasi ang binigay na impormasyon niya kay Nelson Mariano. Pati ang plate number, description sa araw ng pagpaslang. The motive of the killing of General Barayuga was to stop General Barayuga from testifying against Colonel Garma. Yun po ang totoong nangyari, Mr. Chair. And that is why I would like to recommend to this committee, in the committee report, that we should file the necessary cases against those perpetrators when they cannot let justice not be served to the victims. Mr. Chair, Colonel Ruyina Garma has been involved in the different killings all over the country. In fact, Mr. Chair, si Colonel Garma, nung unang pagdinig pa lang natin, involved na po siya doon sa pagpatay ng 3 Chinese drug lords, which was corroborated by the different resource persons. Nung si Colonel Garma din ay na-assign doon sa Cebu City, there were 198 killings as recorded and as reported by Mayor Tommy Esmeña. And ngayon po, klarong-klaro po na ang mastermind ng pagpatay kay General Barayuga, walang iba po kung hindi si Colonel Garma in cooperation, in cahoots with Colonel Leonardo, based on the testimony of our 2 resource persons. Mr. Chair, Colonel Garma is a woman disguised as a meek lamb, but deep inside her, she is a ruthless killer, killing without mercy innocent people, killing without remorse innocent victims, especially on the war on drugs. Kaya, Mr. Chair, I appeal that we should include in the committee report to file murder charges against Colonel Garma and Colonel Leonardo. Thank you, Mr. Chair.
Thank you, Congressman Pimentel. The manifestation of Congressman Pimentel will be noted, and his recommendations will be taken in and be written in the committee report once the committee terminates its hearing.